guys, welcome back to my channel, and also welcome back to the old coins collectors, guys. And we have here one piece of 25 Halalas coins, Saudi Arabia. Very nice coins, guys. And before we continue, kindly please subscribe to my channel. Please press the subscribes and click the notification bell for updated all my upcoming videos regarding the altcoins, guys. So okay, thank you. And here the 25 Balalas coins, Saudi Arabia, year 2016, 1438. Very nice coins, guys. So we have here the logo of the Saudi Arabia, and then the year 2016, 1438. So this 25 Saudi Arabia Halalas coins from 2016 is in mint condition. It is made of brass. Yeah, made of brass, guys. And also has a diameter of 21.5 millimeter and weight of 4.1 grams. And the thickness of this coins, guys, is 1.6 millimeter, and the shape is round. The shape is round, guys. These beautiful coins of 25 Balalas coins, Saudi Arabia, 2016, 1438. So very nice coins, guys. And very beautiful 25 Halalas coins, Saudi Arabia. So if you have this, guys, please keep, and maybe a few years these coins may be expensive after a few years, guys, because very beautiful kind of coins of Saudi Arabia. Okay, guys, so very nice coins. Okay, and thank you, guys, and please again, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for updated all my upcoming videos, guys. Okay, thank you, and more powers. God bless, guys. Thank you so much. God bless. Bye bye.